Welcome to Science Lab Vlogs, where we explore the wonders of science. I bet you didn't know this about sound. But what is it really? Sound is vibration. When something vibrates, it pushes and pulls on the air around it. This creates waves. These waves travel to our ears, our brains interpret them, that's how we hear. Imagine our early ancestors. They lived in a world of sound. Wind rustling through leaves, thunder booming in the distance, animal calls echoing in the night. These sounds weren't just noise, they carried information, danger, food, the presence of others. Early humans learned to create their own sounds too, clapping, drumming, singing. Sound became a tool for communication and expression. The ancient Greeks were fascinated by sound. Pythagoras, a famous mathematician, made a groundbreaking discovery. He noticed that musical notes have mathematical relationships. This led to the idea of harmony of the spheres. Pythagoras believed that the planets and stars moved in harmony, creating a celestial music. His ideas laid the groundwork for the scientific study of sound. We call it acoustics. Section 4. Unveiling the waves. Galileo's groundbreaking discoveries. Galileo Galilei, a name synonymous with the dawn of modern science, made discoveries that forever changed our understanding of the natural world. His relentless curiosity and innovative experiments laid the groundwork for many scientific principles we take for granted today. Centuries later, Galileo Galilei made another leap forward. Born in Pisa, Italy in 1564, Galileo's early studies in mathematics and natural philosophy set him on a path of discovery. His work spanned various fields from astronomy to physics, each contributing to a deeper understanding of the universe. He was fascinated by pendulums. This fascination began when he observed a chandelier swinging in the Cathedral of Pisa. He noticed that the time it took for each swing was consistent, regardless of the amplitude. This observation led to the development of the pendulum clock, revolutionizing timekeeping. He noticed that a pendulum's swing always takes the same amount of time no matter how wide it swings. This principle, known as isochronism, was a groundbreaking discovery in the study of motion and time. This led him to study sound waves and their speed. Galileo's curiosity didn't stop at pendulums. He extended his observations to the study of sound waves, exploring how they travel through different mediums and at varying speeds. Galileo's work helped us understand the properties of sound, how it travels, how fast it moves. His experiments with sound waves laid the foundation for the field of acoustics, influencing how we understand everything from musical instruments to modern communication technologies. His discoveries revolutionized our understanding of this invisible force. Galileo's groundbreaking work not only advanced scientific knowledge but also inspired future generations of scientists to explore the mysteries of the natural world with the same relentless curiosity and innovative spirit. Section 5. From Whispers to Melodies. Revolutions in Sound Technology. The 19th century brought incredible inventions. It was a time of rapid change and innovation, where the boundaries of what was possible were constantly being pushed. The world was on the brink of a new era, one where sound would play a pivotal role in communication and entertainment. Alexander Graham Bell gave us the telephone in 1876. This groundbreaking invention allowed people to communicate over long distances, bridging gaps that were previously insurmountable. It was a marvel of engineering and ingenuity, forever changing the way we connect with one another. For the first time, we could hear voices from afar, transmitted through wires. This was more than just a technological advancement, it was a revolution in human interaction. The telephone wires that stretched across the landscape were the lifelines of a new, interconnected world. Then came Thomas Edison and his phonograph in 1877. This invention was nothing short of magical. It allowed us to capture sound, to store it, and to replay it at will. Music, speeches, and other sounds could now be preserved for posterity. Now, we could capture sound, store it, replay it at will. The phonograph opened up new possibilities for entertainment and education, making it possible to experience performances and lectures without being physically present. These inventions changed communication and entertainment forever. They laid the foundation for the modern world, where sound is an integral part of our daily lives. From the way we talk to each other to the way we enjoy music and stories, the impact of these early technologies is still felt today. Sound was no longer just a natural phenomenon. It became a medium through which we could express ourselves, share our experiences, and connect with others. The The ability to manipulate and control sound opened up new avenues for creativity and communication. It was something we could manipulate, control, and share. The revolutions in sound technology transformed our world, making it richer and more connected. As we continue to innovate and explore new frontiers, we build on the legacy of these pioneering inventions, forever changing the way we experience sound. Gap 3S, Section 6, the digital soundscape sound in the modern era. The 20th and 21st centuries have brought about incredible advancements in how we create, manipulate, and experience sound. The invention of digital audio has revolutionized the way we interact with sound, making it more versatile and accessible than ever before. In the late 20th century, the development of digital recording technology transformed the music industry. Compact discs, or CDs, were introduced in the early 1980s, providing a higher quality and more durable medium for music storage compared to vinyl records and cassette tapes. This was just the beginning of a digital revolution that would change the way we listen to music forever. The rise of the internet in the late 1990s and early 2000s brought about a new era of music distribution and consumption. Online platforms like Napster, iTunes, and eventually streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music made it possible to access vast libraries of music with just a few clicks. This accessibility has democratized music, allowing independent artists to reach global audiences without the need for traditional record labels. But the digital soundscape isn't just about music. Advances in sound design and audio engineering have revolutionized the film and video game industries as well. Surround sound systems and immersive audio technologies like Dolby Atmos create rich, multi-dimensional soundscapes that enhance our viewing and gaming experiences, making them more engaging and realistic. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality (AR) technologies are also pushing the boundaries of how we experience sound. In VR, spatial audio creates a 360-degree sound environment that responds to the user's movements, making the digital world feel more tangible and immersive. AR applications use audio cues to augment our real-world environment, providing information and enhancing our interactions with the world around us. And let's not forget about the rise of podcasts and audiobooks. These formats have made it easier than ever to consume information and entertainment on the go, turning our commutes and workouts into opportunities for learning and enjoyment. As we continue to innovate, the possibilities for the digital soundscape are endless. From AI-generated music to interactive sound installations, the future of sound promises to be as dynamic and exciting as its past. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the wonders of science. Section 6. Sonic Wonders, Fun Facts about the World of Sound. Here are some amazing facts about sound. Sound is an integral part of our daily lives, shaping our experiences and emotions in ways we often take for granted. From the gentle rustling of leaves to the powerful crash of ocean waves, sound is all around us. Did you know that sound travels faster in water than in air? This is because water molecules are more tightly packed than air molecules, allowing sound waves to move more quickly. This phenomenon is crucial for marine life. That's why whales can communicate over vast distances. Their songs can travel hundreds of miles underwater, enabling them to stay in touch with each other across the vast oceans. In space, there's no air to carry sound waves. This means that, despite the many explosions and activities happening in the cosmos, space is eerily silent. Astronauts rely on radio waves to communicate. That means space is completely silent. Imagine floating in the vastness of space surrounded by stars and hearing nothing but the sound of your own breathing. The loudest sound on Earth came from a volcanic eruption in 1883. The eruption of Krakatoa was so powerful that it ruptured eardrums of people 40 miles away and created shock waves that circled the globe multiple times. It could be heard thousands of miles away. The sound was so loud that it was reported in over 50 different locations around the world. Sound is more than just what we hear. It can influence our mood, alert us to danger, and even help us navigate our environment. For instance, the sound of a baby's cry can trigger an immediate response from a parent. It's a fundamental part of our universe. From the tiniest insects to the largest celestial bodies, sound plays a crucial role in the natural world and beyond. From the chirping of crickets to the roar of a rocket launch, sound tells the story of our world. It connects us, informs us, and enriches our lives in countless ways. So next time you hear a sound, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken to reach your ears.